countries and nationalities.
England, English,
This is Oliver. He is from England. He is English.
United Kingdom, British,
This is John. He is from the United Kingdom. He is British.
Australia, Australian,
This is Jack. He is from Australia. He is Australian.
Brazil,
Brazilian,
This is Ronaldo. He is from Brazil. He is Brazilian.
Spain, Spanish,
This is Alonso. He is from Spain. He is Spanish.
Italy, Italian,
This is Antonio. He is from Italy. He is Italian.
Germany,
German,
This is Andreas. He is from Germany. He is German.
Japan,
Japanese,
This is Daki. He is from Japan. He is Japanese.
France,
French,
This is Andre. He is from France. He is French.
Canada,
Canadian,
This is Ethan. He is from Canada. He is Canadian.
Mexico,
Mexican,
This is Carlos. He is from Mexico. He is Mexican.
Portugal.
Portuguese.
This is Maria. She is from Portugal. She is Portuguese.
South Africa.
South African.
This is Jessica. She is from South Africa. She is South African.
India.
Indian.
This is Barsha. She is from India. She is Indian.
Ireland.
Irish.
This is Sophie. She is from Ireland. She is Irish.
China.
Chinese.
These are Wei Long and Mei. They are from China. They are Chinese.
Greece. Greek.
These are Alexandros and Anastasia. They are from Greece. They are Greek.
Scotland. Scottish.
These are Emily and James. They are from Scotland. They are Scottish.
Russia.
Russian.
These are Olga and Alexei. They are from Russia. They are Russian.
Chile. Chilean.
These are Vicente and Martin. They are from Chile. They are Chilean.
United States of America, USA.
American.
These are Adrian and Michael. They are from the United States of America. They are American.
Argentina.
Argentinian.
These are Ignacio and Morena. They are from Argentina. They are Argentinian.
Where is she from?
She is from India.
What nationality is she?
She is Indian.
Where is she from?
She is from South Africa.
What nationality is she?
She is South African.
Where is he from?
He is from Brazil. What nationality is he? He is Brazilian.
Where is he from?
He is from Germany. What nationality is he? He is German.
Where are they from?
They are from Russia.
What nationality are they?
They are Russian.
Where are they from?
They are from China.
What nationality are they?
They are Chinese.